Hello, East Bears. Welcome to Monday, March 15th. Today I am gone for an infusion to help my illness, so that is why I'm not with you today. And Ms. McMillan is overseeing our class meetings today. So I know this is our first day with 90-minute blocks, and I'm sorry I can't be with you this morning. But I know that you will do your very best to work on this assignment in my absence. All right, so your assignment is called The Renaissance in Italy. Up at the top, I tell you this assignment has 3 parts. Part 1 says, read the page in the box on the left and answer the questions in the box on the right. There are 12 questions. So each row is a different page or pages of a book, and you will answer the questions that go along with it. It looks long, but the pages are really big so you can see the text clearly. So part 1 says, read the page in the box on the left, answer the questions on the right. So you'll scroll down. It's all about the Renaissance and why the Renaissance was important. And then part 2 says, watch the video linked here and answer the questions below. This video is pretty awesome in my opinion. It's about the printing press. It's 2.5 minutes long, and it's called The Printing Press Revolutionized the Spread of Information. So I want you to watch this video and then answer questions 14 and 15. And then part 3 tells you to read the Newsela article called The Story of Books. To access Newsela, click Sign In with Google. So your only question from this article is question 16. Describe 2 different types of books created before the printing press. So if you click on the article, if you're already logged in like I was, it will take you right to the article. If you have to go through the sign-in process, just click Sign In with Google. And then the title of the article is on your assignment if you need to copy and paste it into Newsela. So that is your work for today. I know you will do your very best. And if you have questions, of course, you can email me or call or text me. I will definitely see you in class on Wednesday. Take care, Bears.